Good morning.
Is it a bit pinchy with
Coco, are you hungry? Oh, you like it? That's nice, Coco. Coco.
because that's her food.
Yeah, and I think like it's liking the food.
I thought we still didn't got the budgie thought we could in 13 between 0. Mama.
That was the surprise. Coco, welcome to the family. Hi, Coco. I love you. Hi, Coco. How are you? Hi, beautiful. How are you? Hi, Coco.
Coco, come on my shoulder. Why is Coco not on my shoulder?
Coco is hungry. Hungry. Coco is hungry. Coco, are you hungry?
Can I pat her with one finger?
No, don't pat her.
I thought I can pat her with one
For a
finger.
few weeks, don't pat her. Just let her like this.
Why?
Oh, you're so cute, Coco. I love you.
Mama, be careful. Aww, he kissed me one more time. I love birds.
They're so cute.
Now, birds are my most favorite animals.
Oh, yeah. And we have Coco. Hi, Coco.
It feels so weird. And hello, Budgie. I didn't know budgies are these small. Budgies are amazing. Mama? Mama?
Coco. Coco.
It feels so weird.
But it's not your head.
My head is shaking. Coco, can you stop?